Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to browse the internet on your Samsung Smart TV. So first, press the home button on your remote and you want to come up to the apps here. These are the apps across the middle. Now, if you don't find the app I'm about to show you, come into apps here and download internet. Come into it and download it. Obviously, I've downloaded it already, so we'll go back here, and it'll be across the middle here. You see it, internet. And you can use the directional pad on your remote. Here's some suggestions that it offers. So we'll just select Google, for instance. Press into that. And we can find whatever we want on Google. Now, with the remote, it is really slow. You can plug a keyboard and mouse into your Samsung TV if you want. However, the TV is not really made for the internet. However, if you do want to have a look on the internet, this is how you do it. There you go. It's not really very good, especially not with a remote. So if you do want to use the internet on your Samsung Smart TV, I recommend you do install a keyboard and mouse. And there's plenty of apps, so if you wanted to watch YouTube, things like that, what are actually built to be used with the remote. However, that's how to browse the internet on the Samsung Smart TV.